Shekinah is here. Lebo regala mande que te lebo sine de mente que te lo será. Yo lebo ganante que siga la mande cotere de mente. Oh, pray in the Holy Ghost. Pray in the Spirit. Lift your voices and praise His name. Don't get tired in your flesh. Just continue. Just keep going in the Spirit. Pray in your spirit. mighty hand of God comes on you, as the Shekinah comes on you, even as you're lifting and praising God, even as you're lifting your spirit and praising God, the Spirit of the living God has taken control of your life. Just keep praying in the Spirit. Keep praying in the Spirit to destroy the spiritual warfare of your life. Right now, we declare a supernatural war in the spiritual realm against the works of the enemy. And we come against the enemy in the name of Jesus. We destroy him, we demolish him. We cast him into the hellfire. We rebuke him, for the Lord rebukes him in Zechariah chapter 3. Keep praying. Don't be tired in the flesh. Just move in the Spirit and keep praying in the Holy Ghost. Of his purpose and his plan. Oh, the enemy came in like a flood, but today God has raised your standard. This is the time in the prophetics